Hey, what's up guys? I am Ray and this is our very first YouTube video on this channel in which we will be creating 3 amazing poster designs that can help you to level up your design skills. We will also discover some other topics on this channel like how to use AI in your designs, how to start as a freelance graphics and motion designer, and we will also share some tips, tricks and tutorials, and also we will discuss about some other trendy topics. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press that bell icon. And without further ado, let's dive in. Alright guys, here we are in Photoshop and let's start by creating our first design. Here are all the layers that can help us to save some time and our tutorial will not get lengthier. So first of all, I create this background layer by going over here and I take this solid layer and select this black color and hit OK. After that, I create this text in the background. So let me tell you how I create this text. First of all, take the type tool and type in the text that you want. I'm gonna type Air Max, resize it like this. Take 5 more duplicates and select all. Go to layers panel. Right click and convert to smart object. Bring it here, rename it text. Alright, now select this layer, go to filter, distort, displace, and keep the horizontal scale to 20% and vertical scale also 20%. Then hit OK. Now we have this map PSD file which you can download from the link in the description. Select it, then open, and our text will look like this. Now press Ctrl T to transform it and press Shift on your keyboard and move your cursor over here and you will see this rotation icon. Rotate it like this and place it according to your need. Then press enter on your keyboard and our text looks like this. So now let's change the color of this text. Select the text, go over here, then select color overlay, right, and change the color according to your need and hit OK. So now we have this shoe image right over here and we have added this drop shadow right over here. Let me show you the properties of this drop shadow so you can follow along. We have the opacity 100%, angle 135, distance 60%, size 150%. Then hit OK. Alright, then we have this Air Max text. Then we added these 2 circles. Then we use this text as a design element. Alright, and at the end we have this dust overlay which you can also download from the link in the description. So after completing all our design, here is the part where we will make our design more crisp and sharp. Select your last layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift and E on your keyboard and you will see this new layer will be created. Right click on this layer and convert to smart object. Then go to filter, sharpen and sharpen more. Then again go to filter, noise, add noise. You can keep the noise according to your need, but I'm going with 12%. Then hit OK. And this is our first design looks like. Alright guys, now let's move toward our second design. Here I have this same background layer. After that we have this text which is fly more. Let me show you the font ENG which you can download from the link in the description. Alright, now after that we have this effect like this. So let me tell you how I created this effect. First of all, we have to delete this mask right over here. Delete. Now we have these 2 PNG images. The first one is a lady and the second one is cloth PNG. Alright, and we have these 2 images in this group. Select this group and go over here and select this mask layer and this mask will be created. Then we will select the brush tool. So we have to make sure foreground color is black. Then go over here on this text. Hold Alt button on keyboard and click right over here. Now zoom in and select this mask layer and paint on the area which you want to remove like this. Alright, and we want to remove this area also. Perfect. Now press Ctrl D to deselect it, and this is how we created this effect. After that we have these 2 shapes to complement our design. Now let's move forward and we have these 3 shapes. Now lastly we have these 2 text to use as a design element, and after completing your design, select the last layer and we will apply the same technique that we used in our last design. Select this last layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift and E on the keyboard and this new layer will be created. Right click on this layer, go to filter, sharpen and sharpen more. Then again go to filter, noise, add noise and add the noise around 12 to 14%, and this is our second design. Alright guys, now let's move to our third design. Now here we have this black background and after that we have this text effect. So let me tell you how I created this effect. Let's unhide this and take the type tool and type in the text that you want. I'm gonna type future. For the font, I'm going with this ENG font, which you can download from the link in the description. Then resize this font like this and place it in the center. Hit enter on your keyboard. Then select this layer, right click and convert to smart object. Now go to filter, distort and displace, and keep the horizontal scale 30% and vertical scale also 30%. Then hit OK. Now we have this another map PSD file, which you can also download from the link in the description. Then select it, open, or text effect is created. Now let's delete this one and unhide our original one. And then we have this image. After that we have these text which we added using the same font which we use in this main text. Alright, after that we have these two shapes. Alright, and this is our design, and after completing our design we will do this same effect which we did in our last two designs. Select the last layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift and E on our keyboard. This new layer will be created. Now right click on this layer and convert to smart object. Then go to filter, sharpen more. Again go to filter, noise, and add noise, and we will add 12% of the noise. Then hit OK, and this is our third design. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something new in today's video. Let me know in the comment which one was your favorite design. Also like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.